Welcome back again. Yes, I'm back. Get your friends and someone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello. Happy Monday. How are y'all doing? Fine, I hope, because I am good. Okay? I hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. We staying safe. And I am back with the video. Now, everybody get up here and tell y'all about skincare, body care. Well, I'm gonna show you something you need, which we gonna call foot care. You need these three products in between pedicures, with pedicure, without pedicure. You need these for nice, smooth feet all summer, winter long. Don't be coming outside with them cracked up, rusty things, because I am not saved. I am going to tell you. If your mama won't, I will, boo. This product I stand by. 2 to 3 times a week, I'm getting low. It's time to get another one. Invest. Take care of your feet, baby, because ain't nobody else going to. This is a foot mask. I got this off of Amazon and it works. Find you one in Target. Find one that works for you. But baby, you need these in your life. Okay? And last but not least, and it should have been number one, get a petty. The foot scraper, invest in one. Get you one. Mine is somewhere in my room. I ain't feel like looking. Get you one. Let's let's I want to hear about foot care. Telling y'all, it's the best thing ever. Sorry. It's the best thing ever. You're gonna need this for your foot care. Now we're gonna unbox some Ipsy. Why? Because that's just what I do. If you wondering, I just took off my lashes. Pair. See, just come on. So this is what it is. This is how it came. It's cute, colorful. I'm with it. I'm with it. Let's see what they sent me. You don't have to open it because I don't know what this is. Oh, that's cute. I might be putting this on my toes. Pay attention to our maintenance video. You might see it. Stay tuned. I think this is a lip gloss. That's what I'm gonna say. Think it's a lip gloss, and it's pretty. And I don't know. I might keep it or give it to my daughter. I don't like to see her walking around here with dry chapped lips. This is for your pores. This is a clay mask. So we'll be trying this in a couple of videos. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. And a mascara. You can never go wrong with mascara and a card. So that is all that I got from Ipsy. I hope you enjoyed this short but video. Remember, foot care is important too. Stay blessed, not stressed. Until our next video. Later, love.